Hello, my name is Kundan Ponta, and this is my final project for ME305. My project is based on studies that show that for lithium-based batteries, if you keep the charge levels between a certain range, for example, between 20 and 80%, it helps to increase the longevity of the battery. The trade-off is that you get uh, less capacity between charge cycles, but sometimes the trade-offs can be worth it. This graph shows that if you charge up to a certain percent instead of going all the way to 100, you get more charge cycles out of it and you increase the longevity of the battery. My project has four components. The input is my Android phone. I made an app using MIT App Inventor so the phone can communicate with the Bluetooth device, which is the sensor. It's a HCO5 Bluetooth module. It reads the battery percent from the phone. The display is an LED matrix, and the actuator is a servo motor. So this is what the setup looks like. The phone stand will hold the phone, and the servo will pull the charger out of the phone when we hit our target battery percent. The LED matrix display will display the charge level of the phone, and this is what the inside looks like. I use four 1.5 volt batteries in series to create a 6-volt power supply for the servo, and this is the Bluetooth module. This is the app I made using MIT App Inventor to connect the phone to the Bluetooth module. I'm going to select the Bluetooth module from the list of Bluetooth devices, and I need to connect the charger to the phone for this to work. So I'm going to do that. Now now the display here should match the battery percent of the phone, and it does. It is at 39% right now. Now we're going to set the target battery percent at which we detach the charger from the phone. We set that to be 40% for this example, and it shows that on the display here. Now we wait until the battery percent hits 40. I'm going to skip ahead. At 40%, the server will pull the charger out of the phone, and that is my ME305 final project. Thank you for watching.